Let's talk about a LAN-WIC out-of-memory error fix low VRAM in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
First things first, let's make sure your system actually meets a LAN-WIC's minimum requirements. Sometimes a quick reality check is all it takes. Then dive into your in-game graphics settings and start with the basics. Lowering textures, shadow quality, or turning off ray tracing can instantly free up crucial VRAM. Remember, every little bit helps in the dark place. Beyond the obvious, there are often more subtle settings that gobble up VRAM without you realizing. Experiment with resolution scaling, or even switch from DirectSpo to DirectSpo. If the option is available, there's some of us handle one better than the other. Pay close attention to upscaling method and try different options like those, or through often setting them to quality or balanced for the best performance. Visual balance. These advanced adjustments can often be the secret sauce to smooth out your experience. Outdated graphics drivers are a notorious culprit for performance issues and memory errors, so ensure yours are completely up to date directly from their official websites. Don't rely solely on Windows Update, as manufacturer sites often have the latest, most optimized versions. While you're at it, ensuring your Windows operating system is fully updated can also resolve underlying compatibility problems. A fresh, fully updated system environment is key for a demanding game like a LAN-WIC. Sometimes the god of memory error isn't just about VRAM, but also your system's virtual memory or page file, which acts as an overflow. You can manually increase your Windows page file size, giving your system more room to breathe when VRAM is maxed out. Additionally, use a tool like Side Afterburner to monitor your VRAM usage in real time while playing. This will help you pinpoint exactly which settings are pushing your limits. Understanding your actual VRAM consumption is critical for fine-tuning your game.